Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of IVP, a NASDAQ-listed stock. In this video, we'll break down the latest data as of January 16, 2026, and explore what the technical indicators and price history reveal about IVP's current state and potential future movements. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding these technical signals can help you make more informed decisions. We'll start by reviewing the current price and the context of the last 3 months, then dive into key indicators, trends, and what they might mean for your trading strategy. Let's get started with the basics and set the stage for a comprehensive analysis. As of January 16, 2026, IVP is trading at 0.05 per share. This price reflects a significant journey over the past 3 months with notable volatility and volume spikes. Understanding the current price in relation to recent highs and lows is crucial for context. We'll soon see how this price fits into broader trends, but for now, keep in mind that IVP's price is near its recent lows, which may influence both technical readings and market sentiment. This sets the foundation for our deeper dive into the technical indicators that follow. Looking back over the last 61 trading days, IVP has experienced dramatic swings. From highs above 90 cents in late October to the current price near 5 cents, the stock has seen both sharp rallies and steep declines. Volume has also fluctuated, with some days seeing hundreds of millions of shares traded. This volatility is important for traders, as it can create both risk and opportunity. By understanding the historical context, we can better interpret what the technical indicators are signaling and anticipate possible future moves. Simple moving averages, or SMAs, are a foundational tool in technical analysis. For IVP, the SMA values range from 0.0475 day to 0.947 200 day. The short-term SMAs are clustered near the current price, while longer-term SMAs are much higher, reflecting the stock's significant decline over the past months. This wide gap between short and long SMAs often signals a strong downtrend, and it's a key point for traders to consider when evaluating entry or exit points. Exponential moving averages, or EMAs, give more weight to recent prices, making them more responsive to current market action. For IVP, the EMAs show a similar pattern to the SMAs, but with even higher values for the longer periods. EMA 200 is at 25.21, far above the current price. This divergence between price and long-term EMAs highlights the severity of the recent downtrend and suggests that any reversal would need significant momentum to overcome these resistance levels. Volume is a critical factor in technical analysis, and IVP's recent trading has seen massive spikes, especially during sharp price moves. The volume-weighted average price VWAP stands at 0.421, which is significantly higher than the current price. This suggests that most recent buyers are underwater, potentially creating resistance as the price attempts to recover. High volume days often coincide with major price swings, indicating strong participation and possibly institutional activity. Bollinger Bands help visualize volatility and potential price targets. For IVP, the upper band is at 0.066, the middle at 0.045, and the lower at 0.025. The current price is near the middle band, suggesting a period of consolidation after recent volatility. The band width is 0.906, indicating a wide range and high volatility. When bands are wide, it often signals that the market is digesting large moves and may be preparing for the next trend. The MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular momentum indicator. For IVP, the MACD is at -0.039 with the signal line at and a histogram of 0.017. This configuration suggests a weak bullish crossover, but the overall momentum remains subdued. Additional momentum indicators such as MACD Momentum 0.012 and Momentum 10 0.0024 confirm that the stock is lacking strong upward force at the moment. The RSI is a key indicator for identifying overbought or oversold conditions. IVP's RSI values are 38.84 14-day, 32.62 21-day, and 31.23 28-day, all below the neutral 50 mark. This suggests that the stock is in or near oversold territory, which could attract bargain hunters or signal a potential bounce. However, RSI momentum is only 13.45, indicating that any reversal may be slow to develop unless buying pressure increases. Stochastic indicators help gauge momentum and potential turning points. IVP stock K14 is at 36.47 and stock D14 at 24.55, both below the midpoint. The stock RSIK is higher at 71.04, suggesting some recent upward pressure, but overall the readings point to a market that is still searching for direction. These mixed signals often occur during periods of consolidation or after sharp moves, so traders should watch for confirmation from other indicators. The rate of change (ROC) and price acceleration indicators provide insight into the speed and direction of price movements. IVP's ROC 14 is 32.63, indicating a recent uptick in price change, while price acceleration is at 0.0093. These values suggest that while the overall trend has been down, there have been bursts of upward momentum. Monitoring these indicators can help traders spot early signs of a reversal or continuation. Volatility is a double-edged sword for traders. IVP's ATR 14 is 0.023, and the 30-day volatility is 49.73, both indicating a highly volatile environment. True volatility and an ATR 14 are also elevated. High volatility can create opportunities for quick gains but also increases risk. It's important to adjust position sizes and risk management strategies accordingly when trading such volatile stocks. Unbalanced volume (OBV) and money flow index (MFI) are useful for tracking the flow of capital. IVP's OBV is extremely high at over 2.2 billion, and the MFI 14 is at 90.74, which is considered overbought. This suggests that despite the price drop, there has been significant buying interest, possibly from large players. However, such high MFI readings can also precede corrections, so caution is warranted. The average directional index (ADX) measures trend strength. IVP's ADX 14 is 39.84, with an ADXR 14 of 44.86, indicating a strong trend is present. The plus DI14 and minus DI14 are close, suggesting a battle between buyers and sellers. When ADX is high but the directional indicators are close, it often means the trend is strong but could be at a turning point. Traders should be alert for signs of a shift. Aroon indicators help identify the start of new trends. IVP's Aroon up is at 96 and Aroon down at 92, with an Aroon oscillator of 7.14. These high values for both up and down suggest that the stock has seen recent highs and lows in quick succession, a hallmark of choppy or range-bound markets. The oscillator's low value indicates no clear trend dominance, reinforcing the idea of consolidation. Support and resistance levels are essential for planning trades. IVP's current pivot point is at 0.051, with resistance at 0.058 and support at 0.044. The current price is just below the pivot, suggesting a neutral to slightly bearish stance in the short term. These levels can act as barriers or targets for price action, so traders often watch them closely for breakout or reversal opportunities. Risk management is crucial in volatile stocks like IVP. The risk-reward ratio stands at 1.93, suggesting that potential rewards are nearly double the risks based on recent price action. However, high volatility and large price swings mean that actual outcomes can vary widely. Always consider your own risk tolerance and use stop-loss orders or position sizing to protect your capital. IVP's technical score is 81.97, which is relatively strong, while the trend quality index is 40.77. These metrics combine various indicators to provide an overall assessment of the stock's technical health. A high technical score with a moderate trend quality suggests that while the setup is promising, the trend may not be entirely stable. Traders should look for confirmation from other signals before making major moves. Linear regression analysis provides a statistical view of the trend. For IVP, the slope is minus 0.018, indicating a downward trend, while the intercept is 0.96. The R-squared value is 0.814, showing a strong fit to the data. The predicted value is, which is below 0, and the deviation percent is minus 124.01, highlighting the extent of the recent drop. These numbers reinforce the bearish outlook unless a strong reversal occurs. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review some core concepts that underpin this analysis. Technical analysis relies on historical price and volume data to forecast future movements. Indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands each offer unique insights, but no single indicator is foolproof. Combining multiple signals and understanding their context is key to making informed trading decisions. In summary, IVP has experienced significant volatility and a pronounced downtrend over the past 3 months. While some indicators suggest the potential for a short-term bounce, the overall technical picture remains bearish unless a strong reversal emerges. Traders should remain cautious, use risk management tools, and watch for confirmation from multiple indicators before making decisions. Stay tuned for further updates as the situation evolves.